Have you heard about TTS or free text-to-speech? I guess you have heard about it, right? And in this video, I want to share with you an all-in-one platform that allows you to do text-to-speech, convert your audios to text, voice enhancer, vocal remover, audio cutter, and so much more. So if this sounds exciting to you, stick around and watch the entire video so that you can know what text-to-speech tool this is that is absolutely free to use. Before I jump in and show you this tool, what is text-to-speech? Text-to-speech or TTS is an assistive technology that allows you to read digital text out loud, and it's also called read-aloud technology. So I'm sure you've heard about this terminology one way or the next. And if not, there you have it. It is as simple as that. You see guys, TTS can take words on your computer. It can be useful for writing or editing and even for focusing. Now let's talk YouTube. Have you seen faceless videos on YouTube with AI voices behind them? Or probably you don't even notice that these voices are AI voices, or let's say it is using TTS, text-to-speech. Yes guys, this is actually booming right now. You can find quite a lot of faceless YouTube channels that are utilizing text-to-speech. And all they're doing is creating their scripts and utilizing those text-to-speech tools to put in their script and have those amazing AI voices read it out for them. And then of course they're creating their videos to combine this with the voiceover to make some really incredible videos. And it even gets better. You can do a business out of this. If you head over to Fiverr or Upwork, you can see various freelancers offering their services to convert text-to-speech in various languages. So if this sounds fascinating to you, let's head over to my screen so that I can unfold this all-in-one text-to-speech tool that you can use for free. Let's go. Friends, so this is FreeTTS guys, free text-to-speech website, and you can find the link to this website within the description of this video. And as you can see here, you get a text-to-speech, a speech-to-text, vocal remover, vocal enhancer, audio cutter, and also an audio joiner. How amazing is that? All the best and most important audio tools that you can have them here within one platform. Right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to use each and every one of these tools. But before we do, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for this website. So in order to sign up, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click the sign up or sign in. And it's very easy. If you have a Gmail account, you can simply click on your Gmail here to sign in with Gmail. Select your Gmail account and boom, you're inside the system. Very fast and very easy, right? So let's start with the text-to-speech. As you can see here on the right hand side, you have languages. You have a wide range of languages from a wide range of different countries. And on top of that, you have a wide range of different English speaking accents. So let's say this is the English one for United States. If you come down here, you can find English language for quite a lot of different countries as well. And here is another example. English India. Right now, before I show you how to use the tool, I'm gonna play a sample of a few of the really nice English accents that I came across, right? So let me go ahead and let you hear what these sounds like.
Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial.
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 Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial.
And there you have it guys, quite a few, right? So some British accent, some USA accent, and also some Indian accent. But as I said, you have quite a lot for quite a lot of different countries and different accents, right? So as I scroll down here, you can see they have quite a lot. You even have language for Czech, you have Danish, you have everything, Spanish, Vietnamese, every single country you can think about, they have them here with those really interesting and cool accent and languages, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and put in a little text here and then show you how to utilize this text-to-speech tool. Now, as you can see, I put in my little text here, right? Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. Hope you're doing good. So all I have to do is just simply come here and choose the language that I want. I'm going to simply go ahead and leave it, for example, on the English United States. And I'm going to scroll through and find somebody random. So let's say I want to choose Emma. And I would like to know what Emma sounds like. I can play it.
FreeTTS is a free online services offering cutting-edge AI technology for speech synthesis, speech transcription, voice editing, vocal removal and voice enhancement.
Wow, and Emma sounds really lovely, so I'm gonna choose Emma. So to select Emma, I just click on Emma here. Then you can also go to more options and you can choose if you want to output in MP3, WAV, AAC, or OGG. You can also choose the quality, so you can leave it on a standard quality, right, which gives you the fast synthesis, or you can simply go ahead and choose the high quality, which gives you slow synthesis. So very useful. You can also play around with the voice speed, the voice volume, and also adjust pitch and pause between paragraphs. So this is really nice. Now, in terms of the listening, you can also try the listen mode and you can toggle it on. So whenever you convert, you are able to listen it before you download. So let me go ahead and convert this sentence here and let you hear what it sounds like. And here you have it, guys. So it is successfully converted. And look, it is so fast. It just takes a few seconds to do it. I know the text is not much, but it shows you how fast this application is. So let's go ahead and listen it.
Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. Hope you are.
Very nice, right? So simple go ahead, guys, and you can simply download that by hitting the download button. Now I have downloaded, so let's play it from my computer so that you can see that it's working well.
Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. Hope you are.
So there you have it, very useful. And that's how you basically use the text to speech to convert your text, guys. And as you can see here, you can do quite a lot, right? So let's move on now to how you can utilize the speech to text. And all you have to do, guys, is just simply upload either MP3 WAV or OGG file. And I'm going to simply go ahead and upload a file so that we can convert our audio to text. So I'm going to simply select this speech to text here, just select that. And I will go ahead and leave it as English. So you need to choose the language here of your audio. So if your audio is in Dutch, Korean, Italian, German, or Thai, you can select that. But my audio is in English, so I'm selecting that. And I'm going to simply leave it as text for now. You have a few more formats here that you can choose from. So if you wish to get a different format, you can simply go ahead and do so. But let's leave mine on text and simply hit the convert button. And there you have it, guys. It is convert successfully. And as you can see at the top there, no, this is my text. And I've taken a quick scan and look at this text here. And I must tell you, it is so accurate. Of course, it spells my name a little bit wrong, but I guess it's depending on my accent, right? So if you're English, if you're American, then I'm sure it's going to pull out your text absolutely amazing. But I'm from Jamaica, and this is actually how they would pronounce my name in my country. But my spelling is Andrew. So if your accent is as terrible as mine, you can simply go ahead and go through your text and ensure that if you need to fix something, you can easily go ahead and fix your text. But for the most part, it is very amazing. It is accurate, and I don't need to change anything else except the wording of my name here. Now, once you're done, all you have to do is just simply hit the download button, or you can simply hit copy if you just want the text. But I'm going to simply hit download, and there you have it. I have the text file fully downloaded. So that is very useful now. Head over to the vocal remover, guys. Now, for the vocal remover, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and upload your audio file again. So I'm going to go ahead and click upload and upload a vocal remover. So I have a sample file here that I'm going to use to remove the vocal. Now this file actually have some music behind it. So I'm going to simply go ahead and play it so that you can hear what it sounds like before I hit the start process button.
Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to...
So there you have it. That's how it sounds with some music, me speaking. So all I have to do is simply hit the start processing. And here you can see, guys, it gives me the vocal and it also gives me the music in separate tracks. So I'm going to play. So they give you the music and the vocal in separate tracks, guys. So I'm going to play the music so that you can hear it. And as for the vocal, you can hear it as well.
Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video...
So you can easily go ahead and you can download separate tracks if you so desire. I think it does a decent job. So you can simply utilize this tool if you want to remove vocals or music from an audio file. Now you also have the voice enhancer, so you can simply come here and upload a file, just as I said before, and you can easily enhance a vocal. So I'm going to choose one of those audio files that I have, simply upload the file, and you can simply hit start processing, and this will do enhancement of the particular audio that you uploaded. Now here's the audio file, guys. You can simply play to hear what it sounds like.
Hello friend, welcome back to Drew Tutorial.
And if you're satisfied, you can simply hit the download button on the upper right hand side. and you have your new enhanced audio file. The audio cutter is also very useful. As I mentioned, you can simply go ahead and upload a file. I'm going to simply upload a file. Let's choose, for example, the British Mail here, and I'm going to simply upload a file. Now, how do you use this? You can simply go ahead and select parts of the song that you want, and it will choose to cut those areas, and it will also allow you to merge them together. How amazing is that? So let me show you how it's done. So I'm going to select parts of this. So let's say I want to cut from here to start. And as you can see here, it selects the region and cut out that section. And I'm going to simply choose from here to here as well. And as you can see, it cuts out this as well. So once I'm done, all I have to do is just simply click merge and save, and it will download that file for me. Now I'm going to play this newly merged file from my computer so that you can see the parts that I've cut out and what it sounds like.
Friends, welcome back.
See, friends, welcome back. And that's all I cut out from this audio. So from the beginning, it says, hey guys, then it says, welcome back, Drew tutorial, and it's so forth and so forth. So basically what I cut out is basically what it merges for me. And that's very useful. If you have a longer audio and you'd like to easily cut it, you can use this all-in-one cut and merge to do it for you, right? And the audio joiner, it's as easy as that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select a bunch of these files here and just select like about 3 files. Then go ahead, click on upload. And as you can see, it uploads all those files. And all I have to do is just simply click on merge and save. You can also add more files if you wish by simply clicking add new, and you can add additional files as you want there. So now I have a total of 4 files, and all I have to do is just simply click on merge all and save. And there you have it, guys. I have my new merge all file.
Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial.
And that's all there is to it. Now guys, as I said, this is a free tool. So you can come here and you can utilize the free tool. Now, as for the pricing, as I mentioned, you have it for free. You can utilize this for free and you see what you get here for free. You also have a premium plan that offers you a monthly price of $19 per month, right? Gives you over 5,000 character each conversation, all advanced vocal support SSML, and all language included, right? You also have the yearly plan, which gives you basically everything. However, you get 1 million characters per month to use. So it is very affordable, and I think that it's very useful. So guys, if you find value utilizing these free tools, you can easily come ahead and upgrade at any point in time to the monthly plan or even the yearly plan. Very affordable stuff here, guys. So there you have it, guys. FreeTTS or Freets, whichever name you want to call it. Ain't this tool amazing? As you can see, it can do quite a lot of different things here that you can utilize. And the most important thing, it's absolutely free. If you find it useful, you can easily go ahead and upgrade at any point in time so that you can have the luxury of utilizing each and every one of the tools almost unlimited. Because what you're getting with each of these tools, I'm guaranteeing you that you will not use all of these characters per month. Right, so it is a very useful tool. So if you find value within this video, guys, go ahead, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial again. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.